Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid to answer questions online and make some very easy PayPal cash. So this is going to be a really easy way for you to make money online and from home or even on the go, because this is an app that you can actually use on your phone as well. So let's get started right now. So this is the site I want to show you. This is an app that you can use on the phone to answer surveys. And this is how you will answer the questions I was telling you about. So you're going to get paid to be heard and sharing your opinions. And this is kind of one of the easiest ways to make money online, guys. So this is available for both iOS phones and Android phones. So this is available for everybody, even worldwide, as long as you have access to PayPal Cash, because that's how they pay, is through PayPal Cash. So this is going to be a very exciting app because they have very good reviews on both phones. So I will go into the details as I kind of explain what this is more about. So let's just take a look at their help FAQs, okay? So Survey on the Go is a mobile market research tool that pays users for their opinions about various topics and issues. You can opt in to categories such as business, politics, entertainment, news, sports, media, and technology. Why should I complete surveys? Completing surveys is fun, informative, and very importantly, it pays. Your opinion is important to us, and we know your time is valuable, so we want to pay you for including our application in your everyday routine. Okay, how do you download? I just show you how to download. Let's see, how does it work? After you download the application and sign up, you'll want to complete the demographic surveys that are available. You will be notified, similar to a text message alert, when surveys become available. Once you reach $10, you can cash out using your PayPal account. Occasionally, surveys will appear in your inbox without an alert, so check in from time to time. How often do you send surveys out? So you're going to get 2 new surveys per week. Please make sure that your application is always up to date as we roll out new survey features which older applications may not be compatible with. On iOS devices, make sure that your notifications are enabled for our application. Android as well, basically. How do I get paid? So Service on the Go uses PayPal to handle the payments, or you can elect to receive your payment via Visa, Amazon.com, or Starbucks gift card. We do this for 2 reasons. First, cutting checks is a lot of work, and second, this protects you since it lets you keep all your most valuable information, like your physical address and bank info, completely private. So basically, PayPal is a online money transfer system that you need to sign up for if you don't have an account. So you need to make sure that your PayPal is created and verified, okay? Why is my survey payment pending? So basically, you need to wait for your submission to be reviewed, basically, okay? And the review process takes 3 to 5 business days. So that's not like the quickest turnaround for review, but you will get paid from these guys. So as long as you're consistently going in there and getting some surveys done, then you'll be fine. Why was my survey payment rejected? Payments are rejected for survey submissions that do not follow the survey's instructions and or provide inaccurate, false, or incomplete responses. So there's a few things that they don't like you doing. I think that's it. So this is a very simple app, guys, okay? So let's take a look at the reviews. So this one is the Apple Store. You got 4.6, guys. It's very high with over 27,000 people rating this thing. So this is a very popular app on the Apple Store. Okay, 4.6 here. Look at this one. So this guy has, or this person has been using other apps as well. So you do have to reach up to $10. This is relatively a high payout rate, actually. So I understand why this person was skeptical because of the high payout minimum. But as this person was explaining here, that survey on the go is a higher paying survey than other sites because minimum is 50 cents that this person has seen. And this person has been able to do $3 surveys that only take 10 minutes. And then this person also gets 10 cents for the minute that this person tried to qualify for but doesn't qualify for the survey. So, and this person said, I've only spent like 5 times on the app sparingly, and I was able to actually reach the $10 mark. So 5 times is pretty, it's not that many times to earn 10 bucks. So that's pretty good. So that's what I mean by this is a pretty, like, really good app. On the Google side, on Google Play Store, really high rating as well, and even more people, over 69,000 people rating here. 4.6. So I really like the fact that the company responds as well for any ratings that are low or even not low. I think they also respond to other ones. But this is a good sign because they are active and they are helpful if you have any problems with the app. And that's why they have such a high rating with over 1 million installs, guys. So this is huge. This is a really good app. And that's why I want to show you guys this app today, because I know a lot of you guys like to earn this way, an easy way to earn, but you know that the easy ways to learn aren't going to let you earn any type of consistent money or big money, okay? So expect to earn a few dollars here and there, and that's about it for this kind of app. Like most apps like this actually are like that. So if you're looking to earn a lot more money, because I don't use apps like this to earn online. I use a business model that I can earn any time of the day, guys, okay? So if you want to earn passively online, you need to learn some online skills, okay? And where you can learn some online skills is in a program like the first link that I have put in the video description. If you click that first link, I will give you more information about that program that teaches you online skills that is required in order to be able to learn how to generate a consistent online income passively, where you can schedule your own work whenever you want to work, and then earn also any time of the day, while you're sleeping, while you're working, eating, playing, whenever. So if you want to start an online business like that and earn like I do, which has potential of earning a lot more than these sites, than these apps, I mean. So make sure you check out that first link and learn about the program where you can learn some real online skills that will make you big money online, guys, okay? I really hope you'll check it out and follow my path. And if you do follow my path, remember, I will be there to help you as well. And I will give you that information if you click the link, the first link in the video description for all the info. All right, guys? So if you liked this video today, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. I really appreciate it if you can do that for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't miss out on any other ways to make money online if you want to learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. All right? So I hope I see you on the next video. Ciao for now.